Today I've got a really exciting race. To give you the backstory, yesterday went out racing and all 3 boats in the class are on 2 points. So what does that mean? Means today it's all to play for. Today whoever wins is going to take home the cup. So yeah, it's going to be awesome. Let me show you the course. So we'd have a short upwind leg to the windward mark, and as we rounded I'd jump up on deck to launch the spinnaker from the mast. Then we'd have a speedy leg with the spinnaker, where at the leeward mark we'd have to do a very quick drop before beginning our upwind section. On the upwind, it was all eyes outside the boat to spot the gusts and to see how the other boats were doing. So here was the course, and we'd have 3 laps of it, and on our final rounding of the leeward mark, we'd then head back up to the start line in order to finish. Now let's go see how we did. So we'd started well, but so had the other 2 competitors. Surprise is the same boat as us and had all black sails, so they were our real competition, and we just had to keep ahead of them. 58 degrees north had a white jib and a black main. They were a different make of boat, so had a handicap, meaning if we were to beat them, we'd have to be at least 7 minutes ahead. So we are already approaching the first mark, and it's my job to hoist the spinnaker. So I'm up on deck, ready to grab the red line, which is the spinnaker halyard, to hoist it as fast as I possibly can. Especially since surprise was just on our tail, meaning that as we came around the mark, they would be covering our wind. So to reduce this, we want as much distance between us and them.
Up. Good work, everyone. Good guys, good. Got pressure coming down now. Gust on, gust on.
Unfortunately, Surprise had a good cover on us and chose the favoured side of the course, allowing them to get ahead. This meant we had to come back on the next upwind.
3, 2, 1, go! Pull, 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 pull. Pull, 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 pull.
Sorry.
Lovely.
Yeah. So we had made some really good gains on them, but being below them we were getting all of their dirty air, so the decision was made to tack off and go on the other side of the course. So as you can see, the tack really paid off and we had a good lead over Surprise. Currently in first, which is awesome. Boat at the back's got a wrap in their spinnaker, so it's mainly between us and this boat.
Driving in 3, 2, 1.
Unfortunately, they caught us up a bit on the downwind leg, and now we're only a few boat legs behind. We're about halfway in the race, so it's still all to play for. When you're down in the cabin, it's very hard to work out what's going on. I'm listening out for sounds and words from people to try and get an idea. Here, the spinnaker got a bit caught, so I had to let it back up before pulling it down. And just this, it makes you worried that the other boat is slowly getting ahead of you. So I'm trying to get it down as fast as possible so we can go out and see what's going on.
On the other side.
To avoid disqualification, I'm just letting the tack line off so we can bring in the spinnaker pole. And there with the white spinnaker, you can see 58 degrees north. Quite far behind, but whether it's far enough is impossible to say.
Made it. 083.
089, that's it. No, I think
So we'd already made some really good distance on Surprise on that upwind, but to top it off, they got a wrap in their spinnaker.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Ready to drive down, driving in 3, 2, 1, go! Pull, 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 pull. Pull, pull, pull. We're on to the mark there. Possibly. No, we're not.
So this is the final retrieval, the final rounding of the downwind mark.
Get it under the other side for pole. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. Ready then?
Yeah.
3, 2,
1. Don't touch him, don't touch! We've been disqualified, yeah.
Okay, so that was that. That was so awesome. Such good racing. We actually don't know whether we won or not. There was the other grand surprise, which was the make of boat, which we definitely beat. But the other one, 58 degrees north, they finished about 8 minutes after us. But because they're a different make of boat and with their handicap, we actually don't know yet. I'll probably put in the edit after, just letting you know if we won or not, but we think we did. We think we've done the maths and we think we've won. But yeah, so exciting, that racing. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks to my coffee supporters. Thanks to you guys for subscribing, and big thanks to Gary for having me on his boat for the racing. It was so much fun.